If your Android phone is frozen or completely unresponsive in 2026, the fastest and most reliable fix is a force restart. So the question is, how do you do it correctly, and why does it actually work? Let's break it down step by step. First, if your screen is stuck and nothing responds, not even touches, don't panic. This usually happens because the system or an app has crashed and the phone gets locked in that state. Now, here's exactly what you need to do. Press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds, keep holding it, even if nothing happens at first. On some Android phones, you may need to press power plus volume down at the same time and hold both buttons together. After a few seconds, your screen will go black and the phone will restart automatically. That's it. That's the entire process. Now let's talk about why this works. Because this part is important. A force restart is different from a normal restart. When your phone freezes, the system is still technically on, but it's stuck in a loop or error state. That means it can't process touch, can't open apps, and can't respond properly. By holding the power button, or the button combination, you're forcing the device to cut power to the system temporarily. This does three important things. First, it stops any apps or processes that are stuck or crashing in the background. Second, it clears temporary system errors that may be causing the freeze. And third, it reloads the operating system from scratch when the phone turns back on. In simple terms, you're giving your phone a hard reset without deleting anything. That's why this method is safe and doesn't affect your photos, apps, or personal data. Now, here's something important to keep in mind. You should only use force restart when your phone is completely frozen, not responding to touch, or stuck on a screen. It's not something you need to do regularly, only when the device is not responding at all. Also, after your phone restarts, give it a few seconds to stabilize before opening apps again. This helps prevent the issue from happening immediately again. In short, a force restart works because it interrupts whatever is causing the system to freeze and gives your phone a fresh start. Simple, fast, and in most cases, it fixes the problem instantly. If this helped you, let me know. Did your phone come back to life after the restart?